I woke up this morning to a lot of these noises. Do you hear that? I need the big cup today. I just ordered this new a new microphone. It's this because the microphone that I'm using right now, I don't know how, but this company, what are they called? Takstar, I think they're called. Somehow they managed to make a microphone that sounds worse than the onboard microphone. For example, this is what the fix this. For example, better? Worse? For example, this is what the external microphone sounds like. This is what the onboard microphone sounds like. How does the onboard microphone sound better? Like, we're about to have a Bang Shoes mentor orientation meeting. They're through this app called Zoom, and I didn't want to be holding the phone, so I just propped it on a tripod, kind of like this. That's how you make sure it never loses its charge. It's a little extra, but so is most things I do. Okay, the Bang Shoes mentor orientation meeting. Wow, that's a the Bang Shoes mentor orientation meeting. The Bang Shoes mentor orientation meeting went well. Oh my god, that took forever to say. I would have filmed the meeting, but I don't think that would have been appropriate. It's kind of like a mentors only thing, so I kind of just decided to keep the camera off. Funny note, during that meeting, I got a email notification that something was delivered to my door. I think that this is pair number 3 for me. Whenever there's a new term, I always try to get a new pair. Also, oh yeah! Do you think I should move this a little bit more to the left?